I think it is more courageous to say that I walked away from a relationship for my child rather than saying I'm staying for the child.
There's always a fear for the single moms कि अगर हम इस relationship से बाहर निकल गए तो how will I survive financially या emotionally?
I can admit that emotionally it's still very tough for me because when you come home, you're coming home to an adultless home.
Do you think society sees single moms differently?
In India, co-parenting is very difficult.
NFHS 5 के according इंडिया में 35% kids stunted हैं and 58% anemic हैं.
If you're a vegetarian, I would highly recommend you start.
So what are some of the sneaky names जो वो sugar की जगह पर भी लिख सकते हैं and we need to watch out?
ऐसे बहुत सारे names हैं to be honest, but the most common ones are
By 2030, India faces 27 million kids struggling with obesity because of ultra-processed foods. But today's guest proves that you can break this cycle. Meet Tanya Mehra. She is a child nutritionist, a single mom, and a full-time content creator. Hi Tanya, welcome to Moms Unmuted. Thank you so much for being a part of this episode.
Thank you so much, Sonia, for having me, and I'm so glad that I'm here with you.
Pleasure is all ours. So Tanya, you're a child nutritionist plus a full-time content creator. You're doing so many things all together. If you could tell us and our audience about your journey, how you started.
So it was not planned,
Achha.
and I was just another corporate girl.
Okay.
Yes, and Noor was born, and I was on my maternity leave. I was kind of doing nothing at that point of time, just taking care of her. And because my profession was into research, I did so much research on kids that, a friend of mine who was living with me during, the first 6 months when she was born, she kind of suggested that I should start a page and maybe share
Okay.
what I am doing because she thought it was different and, she thought that mums usually don't do all of this. So that's how it all started. I started enjoying it and I just started posting everything that I was doing for Noor.
Lovely.
And that's how it started. And I did not even know that it could be a career.
And you also do so many other things, not just content creation. I've seen your single mom circle.
Yes.
And also other things you do. If you can tell us what all initiatives have you taken?
I have an initiative for single moms called the Circle of Strength, which I started to build a support group for all single moms because there are a lot of us and there's no one who is there to support us. And it's very important to kind of form a circle where there are like-minded people because our struggles are very different to, women who are married and are in happy families. So that's what the aim was. And we started with the Delhi chapter. And we even moved to Jaipur, like we did one session in Jaipur. We have a lot of experts on board. For this circle, there's a lawyer who helps women, all these moms in their cases. We have a psychologist, we have a gratitude coach, we have a wealth manager to help them kind of plan their finances in the future. So yeah, that's what we do.
And it feels so good to listen to this. This is so inspiring. And for single moms, जिन लोगों को थोड़े motivation की support की ज़रूरत है, I think this is a big, big, big support.
Yeah, and जब भी आप जाओ कोई session में, you will always find people crying. And when you come back, you just feel that you're not alone. So it actually feels good after coming back. That ठीक है, हम अकेले या अलग नहीं हैं.
Right.
So yeah, that is the one thing that I've done. Then I have a small venture that I started called Little Noor Edit, which is an exhibition only for kids that I do in a play area. So the idea is that kids can play for free and the moms can shop. So I've already done 2 edits, one in Delhi and one in Indore.
Congratulations.
And the next one is also coming very, very soon.
For all the single moms and single parents who are watching this episode, Tanya, there are many moms who feel stuck in their marriage. कि यार मुझे रहना भी नहीं है, मैं निकल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ, आई फील स्टक बिकॉज ऑफ सोसाइटल प्रेशर, या आई हैव अ किड. सो व्हेन इज द राइट टाइम व्हेन यू कैन डिसाइड, या उनको आप कुछ सजेशंस दे पाओ so that they can actually make that decision कि उनके लिए क्या सही है?
This is a very subjective question. But at the same time, I think if someone is stuck in a situation like this, they can go into the future and see that what if their own child is stuck in this kind of situation, what will they recommend to them? And mostly they will get their answer. And also, I think one thing is that women are kind of brought up in our society in a way that we're always serving others. We forget about ourselves. And it's very important that you feel respected, loved in your relationship, in your marriage, because eventually your child will learn all of that and will absorb that. The way they see their mom and dad, that will be their blueprint for their relationships in the future. So if you want them to have like a sane future relationship, then it's very important to do the right thing. Yes, जब भी आप वो step लोगे, it's going to be very tough.
True.
And it is very hard. But once you are over it, you overcome it, then you'll realize कि आपने कितना सही करा. And हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि बच्चे पे बुरा असर पड़ेगा. I feel that's not true.
Because बहुत सारी moms वो step नहीं ले पाती है because they say बच्चा है, मैं नहीं कर सकती. So that thought या जो वो उनकी thinking है, वो कितना बच्चे को protect कर रही है या उनको damage या उनको negatively affect कर रही है in fact.
I think it is more courageous to say that I walked away from a relationship for my child rather than saying I'm staying for the child. Because at the end of the day, आप खुश नहीं रहोगे. The child will learn that, right? Either you work out, like visit like a marriage counselor, couples counselor, and work on your relationship. But the problem is लोग वो भी नहीं करना चाहते.
Therapy is something last resort होता है for the couples.
And which is still like a taboo, right? In the Indian society. So, I think you should just think about how you will react if your kid is in this situation and what will you kind of advise them, and you'll get your answer.
But you know, there's always a fear for the single moms कि अगर हम इस relationship से बाहर निकल गए तो how will I survive financially या emotionally? These two, I think, are the biggest pressures on single moms. Do you think ये challenges actually एक challenge था? आपको कितना time लगा इसको overcome करने में?
Of course, I think ये बहुत बड़ा challenge था. And जो आप emotional बात कर रहे हो, वो तो अभी भी challenge है. As far as financing is concerned, I think वो हम moms कर लेती हैं. I feel once you're in that situation, आप कर लोगे. You will do it for your kid. And that kind of motivation that you will have that time will be on a different level. Trust me. हाँ, मुश्किल होगा. It will be hard. But you will realize that, you know, how you were doing everything already. आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि ये तो मैं already कर रही थी.
ये जो होता है ना, bread earner was the father. And now who's going to manage the finances of my home?
But I would say this to every woman that, you know, you are strong enough to earn that for yourself and your child. Because हम जो भी करने में घुसते हैं, I think we kind of nail it.
जब बच्चे की बात आती है तो moms can do it all.
But it's going to be hard. I'm not saying it's an easy path, but it is doable. It is possible. And as far as emotional support is concerned, it's very important कि आप अपने लिए एक support system create करो. Very important. Your parents, if they're around, like for me, that was not an option because both of them live in different cities. So I created like a closed group of friends whom I relied on for even simple things. Like, you know, if I have a meeting which is at an odd hour, so who will take care of her? So things like that, you have to form like a trusted, safe circle around you. And आप realize भी नहीं करोगे, you will also understand कि when you are in this situation, you'll actually realize who your true friends are.
Correct.
It took me about 3 years to get out of it, yes. But I mean, I can admit that emotionally, it's still very tough for me. Because when you come home, you're coming home to an adult-less home. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That सिर्फ आपका बच्चा है, and in my case I have my nannies, but I can't talk to anyone,
Correct.
right? So that is still
Sharing your life with
yes,
somebody.
yes,
It's very different.
and just a presence कि कोई घर पे है, तो वो नहीं है, and that is still something that disturbs me.
So, you know, single moms की life थोड़ी chaotic भी लग सकती है. Are there some non-negotiable systems that you have created for yourself that can also help other single moms do same?
Yes, so I'm a very organized person, you know, since childhood, and I have schedules for everything.
Okay.
So I think the systems I have created is, first is, you know, our meals are all planned.
Okay.
So in the starting of the week, I plan it out so that, you know, my help, my nanny, my cook, all of them know कि क्या करना है, किस दिन क्या बनाना है. So that's sorted.
Okay.
Second is I try to put her in as many extracurricular activities, classes, post school, so that she remains busy, engaged, and at the same time she's also learning something. And a lot of people also question me कि मैं क्यों नूर को इतनी classes में डालती हूँ.
Because she's still so small.
Yeah, but I also feel that this is the right age, because till the age of 5, a child's brain is developed 90%, right?
Correct.
So that's the time to expose your kid. And she enjoys it. It's not like I'm forcing it, you know, forcing her कि जाना ही जाना है. So she likes to go. And that also keeps her in schedule. And I can also work peacefully rather than thinking कि वो घर पे क्या कर रही होगी. And I think another system is finances. Automating finances, automating my investments and savings. So I do a lot of financial planning and SIPs, so that automatically बिना मुझे पता चले, you know, saving होती जा रही है अपने आप, छोटा छोटा amount. And for that I have a wealth manager who handles that for me, so that it's easy कि मेरे को ज़्यादा दिमाग ना लगाना पड़े. But at the same time, my savings are getting accumulated by that small amount every month.
Correct. जैसे जनरली हम लोग फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट देखते हैं तो एज कपल्स यू नो दे प्लान एवरीथिंग टुगेदर कि ये इतना इन्वेस्ट करेंगे इतना सेव करेंगे. सो फॉर सिंगल मॉम्स डज इट गेट्स मोर चैलेंजिंग अपने फाइनेंसेस मैनेज करना? किस तरीके से उनको फाइनेंसेस को इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए फॉर देयर फ्यूचर, देयर चाइल्ड्स फ्यूचर?
सो आई थिंक इंश्योरेंस सबसे पहले, medical insurance for both you and the kid, and life insurance, very important. Then I think you should definitely start saving and investing in mutual funds, in debt funds. अगर नहीं पता है कैसे करना है, which is the case with most women,
most
even me.
Yeah.
So get an expert on board. And
majority moms को banking भी नहीं पता होती है because they have never gone to the banks.
But I would always say this, we are all educated. हम सीख सकते हैं, हम सीखना चाहे तो. And it is a 2-minute job. But yes, अगर आपको नहीं पता कहाँ invest करो, कहाँ save करो, please get a wealth manager. And in fact, हमारे circle of strength में भी we have a wealth manager who helps women define their funds and divert them to the right places. And आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना होता, एक बार आप उनको बता दो that इतना amount मेरे को महीने में करना है, वो अपने आप करेंगे, आपके बैंक अकाउंट से ऑटोमेटिकली चले जाएंगे, एंड आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एंड ओवर द इयर्स यू विल हैव अ बिग कॉर्पस. So I think that is important. Then I think you should have an emergency saving fund. What if there's an emergency? What if there's an illness? So for that, I think every month you should save, you know, a fixed amount. And lastly, very important, have a person or a place who knows everything about where your assets are, where your finances are. God forbid कुछ हो जाए. How will your kid know, or what will they inherit?
Correct.
It's very important that you do all this planning, considering that, you know, in today's world, we do not know what happens.
I think that's important for everyone, not just for single moms, but yeah, I think everyone. So as you said, ke Noor ke liye you have done gold planning also. Are there any other policies that you invest in, say LICs, या ऐसी policies भी हैं that help you plan your child's marriage, पढ़ाई के लिए, ये सारे goals के लिए?
So I have a PPF, where I kind of save 1,50,000 a year, which is the maximum limit that you can do. which is doable, I think, for a year.
Yeah,
Then there is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana
right.
for girl child,
Yes.
which kind of matures when they turn 21.
Hmm.
So that I also do. But other than that, I have insurances. I have a medical insurance. I have a life insurance. And rest are all SIPs, mutual funds, stocks, debt funds.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I think that's very helpful. And Tanya, talking about societal judgments and societal pressure, while you took that decision, the society से resistance आया था, pressure आया था कि this is not the right step, you should not do this. उसको आपने कैसे defend किया?